The clerk's office has a long and rich history. Let's take a look at all of the office holders who have held this prestigious position. The first clerk of the court was W.E. Thomas from 1912 to 1914. He owned an 85-acre ranch in the Phoenix area. The second clerk of the court was James Miller Jr. from 1914 until his death from influenza in 1918. C.S. Berryman served as the third clerk of the court from 1918 to 1926. He was a charter member of the Phoenix Country Club. The longest-serving clerk was Walter Wilson from 1926 until 1962. The fifth clerk of the court was Robert E. Miller from 1962 until 1966. Before entering public service, he worked as a pharmacist. Serving from 1966 until 1982, Don Palmer was the first Republican elected to the clerk's office. And speaking of firsts, Vivian Kringle, who served from 1982 until 1986, was the first woman elected to the office. The eighth clerk of the court was Judith Allen, serving from 1986 till 1997. She was a staunch advocate for children of divorce and child support enforcement. A strong proponent of electronic court records, Michael Jean served from 1997 until 2018. The 10th clerk of the court was Chris DeRose from 2018 until January 2019. He was an appointed interim clerk. The 11th clerk of the court is Jeff Fine, elected in 2019. He is an advocate of innovative technologies to make things like processing payments and fees much easier for citizens. Thanks for taking time to learn a little bit more about the history of the clerk of the court in Maricopa County.